How to make a app icon black and white on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am gonna show you how to make your app icon black and white in just few seconds. This is a new feature in iPhone. Let's get started. First of all, tap and hold anywhere on your home screen until all the apps start wiggling. This means you are now in wiggle mode and you can start customizing. Now look at the top left corner of your screen. You will see an edit button. Go ahead and tap on it. This will open up a few customization options. After tapping edit, you will see three options appear. Tap on customize to move the next step. Here you will see four different options. Tap on tinted to access the color setting for your app icon. This is where the magic happens. At the bottom, you will see a color slider to make your app icon black and white. Simply drag the slider from the left side all the way to right. As you slide it, you will see the color fade away, turning all your app icon in a sleek black and white theme. Look awesome, right? Once you are happy with how it looks, just tap anywhere on the home screen to save your changes. And that's it. You now have a clean, authentic black and white iPhone screen. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.